देश वाचवा.
Hepatitis B हटवा.
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 देश वाचवा.
I'm worried about my glasses as well. Never get separated from glasses. Yes, but we have such me. Really? Such me.
We want
Hepatitis free India.
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 We want
Hepatitis free India. Hepatitis हटवा.
देश वाचवा.
We want
Hepatitis free India.
We want
Hepatitis free India.
We want
Hepatitis free India.
चलेगा तो नहीं किसी गाल में ये न्यूज़ चलेगी ना
India.
We want
Hepatitis free 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 India.
Hepatitis हटवा. देश वाचवा.
देश वाचवा.
We want
Okay, now as a mark of being having victory over evil, the good winning over evil, as we release the doves in the air, Srimati Jayanti Ben, Mr. Raj Purohit and Dr. Sameer Shah will release these balloons in the air.
बोलिए. Well, the purpose for coming for the event is to spread awareness about hepatitis B and C, which are silent killers all over the world. And in fact, I was not really aware of it. And it's shocking that I was not aware of it. And I feel that other people should also become aware of it.
people are having so much busy schedules, so at least of busy, so in that day, how to maintain the good health?
Be hygienic, eat clean food, and just see that your surroundings are clean. I think that's very important. If you go to a restaurant, see that you're eating from a clean plate, clean utensils. If you go to a beauty parlor, see that it is hygienic.
As a celebrity, what do you think the celebrity to have the society to create awareness regarding health issues?
I think so, you know, because if it's a good tool to use to spread awareness for anything. It doesn't have to be only for this disease. It can be for anything. It can be for human rights. It can be for animals. It can be for anything. But I think in your spare time, I think it should be part of your agenda.
Do you think government and the corporates are much aware of these issues? I mean, they cooperate in creating awareness among the people?
I think the government has got its hands full, and it is our country. First, it's our country, the democracy. So every citizen has to be aware of some issue or the other, whether it's political, whether it's social, whether it's about disease, health. Every citizen should be aware. I mean, you cannot depend on the government to take care of you. I think that's the first lesson we have to learn.